Kentucky's Attorney General says there could be a new online threat to your kids. WDRB's Lawrence Smith explains how Daniel Cameron is joining forces to take on Facebook.
Here at the Capitol, Attorney General Daniel Cameron joining colleagues from across the country in pressuring Facebook not to launch a new Instagram for kids.
We are trying to do our best in upholding our responsibility to keep some of our most vulnerable populations safe and healthy.
Daniel Cameron joining 43 other attorneys general in sending this letter to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg. The letter asking Facebook to scrap plans to launch a version of Instagram designed for kids under age 13.
This is an area that online predators are savvy enough to access.
Cameron says the biggest concerns are cyberbullying and online predators.
In 2020, Business Insider reported that there were 20 million sexual child images shared on Facebook and Instagram.
The concern's not limited to law enforcement.
Facebook should absolutely be ashamed.
The executive director of Kentucky Youth Advocates pulling no punches.
What Facebook is doing is the equivalent of handing an 11-year-old a loaded gun and saying, now be careful.
In a statement, Facebook says, "We are developing these experiences in consultation with experts in child development, child safety and mental health, and privacy advocates." Cameron says Facebook does not have a good track record, pointing to a previous app called Messenger Kids.
There was a glitch in the programming that allowed, despite parental controls, a stranger, a complete stranger, to be able to talk to a child.
Cameron says the attorneys general would have a conversation about possible legal action if Instagram for Kids is launched. Cameron's office has placed social media tips for parents online. We've linked to it at WDRB.com. At the state capitol in Frankfort, Lawrence Smith, WDRB News.